we made a new one. So we're gonna be testing how we did it. This time I went a little bit wider on the foot, on the base, just to give it a little bit more stability so it was not wiggling, juggling a little bit. So here as well, a little bit wider forward and sides. So definitely, it's gonna be something else. So let's see what we did right, what we did wrong. So this is like a 5 feet. Hopefully it works.
Pegando fogo, agiga no corpo, é só jogo, 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 jogo. Jogo, jogo, jogo.
Last one.